Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 closed-loop stepper motor kit. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Isandru stock. Specifications: Protect feature, explosion proof. Construction, permanent magnet. Usage, boat, car, electric bicycle, fan, home appliance. Efficiency, E1. Model number, NEMA 23 closed loop. Torque, 1.2 N 2.2 N 3 N. Product's name, NEMA 23 closed loop motor. Keyword, NEMA 23. Driver, HBS 57H driver. Delivery, 3 to 5 working days. Rated current, 3.5A. Step angle, 1.8 Andy. Phase, 2. The item number 2 is CloudRay CNC Router Kit. Specifications: Brand name, CloudRay. Step angle degrees, 1.8 degrees plus or minus 5%. Phase, 2. Model number, 23CS30C500. Holding torque, 3.0 N. M, current, phase, 5.0A. Type, hybrid. Power supply, 350 watts 24 volts. Driver power supply, DC. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Jasuin NEMA 34. Specifications: Brand name, Jasuin. Continuous current A, 6A. Commutation, brush. Efficiency, E1. Model number, NEMA 34. Torque, 4.5 N 8.5 N 12 N. Motor, NEMA 34 closed loop motor. Driver, HBS 860H. Power supply, 400 watts 60 volts. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.